I want to mount a high-lift jack on the side of my ute. I want to mount the bracket using the existing holes that are there for the windscreen hinge. I'm knocking the bracket up out of some leftover flat and angle steel. The hole I'm drilling is for a padlock to go through. I've welded it up, now I'll just check the dimensions before I paint it. Here's the completed unit. All I have to do now is bolt her on. The base of the jack will just rest on some rubber on the side step. My new creation should keep the jack and the handle secure. A couple of 12mm nuts secure the jack to the bracket. This is where I drilled that little hole. The padlock will go through here. I also drilled a 6mm hole in the bottom of the jacking handle just to let rainwater and dirt find its way out. Now I just need a key.